Hi everyone, my name is Deeksha Sharma and welcome to my course Testing and Deploying GatsbyJS Applications. I'm an independent software consultant and co-founder at Bonsai Labs. GatsbyJS is becoming increasingly popular choice for building websites using Jamstack architecture. This course will introduce you to a process that helps you deliver a reliable and fast Gatsby site in production. Some of the major topics that we will cover include writing unit tests for a cafe site built using Gatsby. You will learn how to host this Gatsby site on platforms including Surge, Netlify, Gatsby Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and CloudFront. You will perform fast and easy end-to-end testing of your Gatsby site using Cypress. Finally, you will create your own CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions to automate the site's deployment workflow. By the end of this course, you will know how to rigorously test your Gatsby site, host it on your favorite platform, and deploy the code faster using your own continuous integration and delivery pipeline. Before beginning this course, you should know how to write Gatsby applications, and some experience with test frameworks will be helpful. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn how to ship a site faster using automated test, modern tooling, and hosting integrations with Testing and Deploying Gatsby Applications course at Pluralsight.